So we got this Retrospec bike for my daughter. She is 9. It's for her birthday. I looked through a lot of bikes and I decided on this one for a couple of reasons. The first is that we have a single gear. We don't have it on both sides. Now I was looking at a bike shop and they mentioned that this is actually preferable because there's less issues with the gears down the road. So I love that. Another thing is I love that it does not have shocks. And this is another thing, it's a big pain point. The shocks can cause issues, you can have problems with the shocks. So by taking out the shocks, you remove a potential issue with this bike. Now, of course, we do have brakes, both back and front, and they are up here and they work really well. The tires are fantastic. It's a little bit wider than maybe her last bike was, but it's like a perfect all-terrain kind of bike tire. She also has a really nice kickstand, which we love, and great little seat, great handlebars. Such a fantastic bike. We have been super happy with this one.